Good morning, Fearless Mods fans. Here we are. We've made it to Ohio. Yesterday was a long day of 4 shipping it with 4 vehicles all the way across the turnpike. We brought the X5 with us. My son brought his GTI, and in the truck here we had some parts to that green S13. We've got his engine build that he hopes to get done this summer right over here, and then over here you're going to love this. We have that green S13. Check out that fitment. Ooh, that's sweet. Looks even better from the back. Oh yeah. There's what she's supposed to look like. Anyway, that camber can do some pretty gnarly stuff to the cords of the tires. So we were down to some steel cords and starting to cut through them, and so we had to go ahead and get that thing swapped out so that we could make the trip all the way across from across Pennsylvania, really. But anyway, so today what we're here for is to go grab the STi. It's been parked for about a month, and we're going to go grab it and take it up there to our highway patrol appointment so they can check the VIN, get us all cleared so we can go get it licensed. So looking forward to getting that done. So let's get on the road. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah.
Right in the middle of it. Swear to God. And the best part of living on the moon is all the ladies' breast strips here are going to be twice as perky without all that gravity pulling them down.
Already low-cost services. We've already performed over 1 million procedures. Today, it's your turn. Discover how you can get them.
Got our vehicle inspection. That's what this is called, a vehicle identity inspection. And got our stamped form here that we now get to take over to the title office and go to change the salvage title over to a rebuild title. Actually pretty painless. So and obviously we're in the right state where we can have a tricolor car and not be concerned about it. They're going to inspect it even with some stuff that's still not even complete. We still got work to do. We still got parts in here that need to be installed on the car, and they're still going to let us go ahead and go forth with it. So let's go get a license. Super simple. This now says State of Ohio replacement title. Actually, the other one probably said replacement, but this is a rebuild salvage is what it says. So title department, now down to get the license plates. And so we got it, and we got it personalized, the one we wanted. So we'll go ahead and slap this into the car. We'll be good to go and drive in legally for the first time since we got this thing. What? A year ago? Not quite. Just about 9 or 10 months.
Congratulations.
Fearless Mods, baby.
Literally
That
been driving
green
for
S-
like 2 minutes.
That green S13 driving the STi, and here we are. This is freaking hilarious.
I knew it was gonna happen. It's like 3 different colors.
And it's because the plate blew forward. It's right there. And so I had no tags. So we made it all the way from New Jersey with no license, no registration, only insurance, no tags at all. And we drive past all those cops that I showed you in that video. And then here we are on day 1 with a legit car. And bam.
And of course I'm driving.
Of course you're driving.
He offers to let me drive home. This is what happened.
All right, folks, so there you have it. That's a short video, but at least it shows you that the Subaru is still alive here in Ohio after sitting for a month, and now we're licensed and street legal, so I'm going to be able to start dailying it a little bit as we continue to work on it. Still have some work on the rear deck lid that I obviously want to get done and finalize all of that before we can then get it over to whatever we find here in our new home in Ohio as far as body shops go, so we can get a good paint job and finish up the body work. That is the first point of order, is to find a place to live and get a garage so that we can start setting up and continuing our work on this build. Once we get that done, get her all back to factory, then we'll be able to go back to putting some of the mods into the Fearless. The point of today's was also to kind of show you the process of for a first-time salvage rebuilder, you know, what's it take. So in the state of Ohio, we found out that it's a little bit easier than maybe we first suspected. They don't care that it's a tricolor car. They're looking at the identity of the main pieces on the car. So the hood, the fender, the side skirt, and the deck lid that are all red, had to be able to show them the salvage yard receipt that had the VIN that those cars came off of to ensure that they weren't stolen. Same thing for the quarter panel, because that came from the same place, just a different car. The bumper, the new front bumper, I had to show the sales receipt for that, as well as all the airbags. So pretty much any major components that you've replaced, they just want to make sure that it's not off of a stolen car or from a chop shop. Once they've got that done, it's a real simple, easy process of just going and paying your fees and getting your licenses and getting the title transferred. So that's it. I'm encouraged that we can move on to some more builds once this one is done, and I've grown tired of it. That probably won't happen. All right, guys, that's it from Biff here on Fearless Mods. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you again soon.